Hello everyone, my name is Sonam Ashokamte. I am assistant professor at Rajashri Chhatrapati Shahu College, Kolhapur, Department of Statistics. My today's topic is multiple choice questions on probability theory. First MCQ is if A and B are independent event such that probability of A is equal to 0.3 and probability of A intersection B is equal to 0.06, then find probability of B. Option A is 0.18, option B is 0.02, option C is 0.2, option D is 0.09. Now we have given that A and B are independent event. Then probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A into probability of B. Therefore, probability of B is equal to probability of A intersection B divided by probability of A. That is 0.06 divided by 0.3. That is equal to 0.2. Therefore, the correct option is 0.2, option C. Now, if the sample space of an experiment has n sample points, then its power set contains dash dash elements. Option A is 3 raised to n, option B is 2 raised to n, option C is 2 into n, option D is 3 into n. The correct option is 2 raised to n, that is option B, because we know that if sample space contains n elements, then its power set contains 2 raised to n elements. Third MCQ is if probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus B, probability of A plus probability of B, then event A and B are option E is equally likely, option B is mutually exclusive, option C is exhaustive, option D is independent. By using the theorem of probability, the correct option is mutually exclusive. That is option B. Now option MCQ 4th is if A and B are two events defined on omega such that A is a subset of B, then option A is probability of A is greater than equal to probability of B. Option B is probability of A is equal to probability of B. C is probability of A is less than equal to probability of B, and option D is none of this. By using the theorems of probabilities, if A is a subset of B, then the correct option is option C. That is probability of A is less than equal to probability of B. Fifth MCQ is random variable is a real valued function defined on dash dash. Option A is power set, option B is sample space, option C is empty set, option D is none of this. By using the definition of random variable, the correct option is option B. That is sample space. Because we know that a random variable is a real valued function of sample space. Now sixth MCQ is if x is a random variable following uniform distribution, then the mean of the distribution is n plus 1 divided by 2. That is option D. We know the mean of uniform distribution that is n plus 1 divided by 2. Seventh MCQ is if x follows Poisson distribution, then option A is mean is equal to variance, option B is mean is equal to ST, option C is mean is greater than variance, Option D is mean is equal to mode. We know that in Poisson distribution, mean is equal to lambda, that is parameter, and variance is also is equal to lambda, which is parameter of Poisson distribution. Therefore, option A is correct option. That is mean is equal to variance, which is equal to lambda, which is the parameter of Poisson distribution. Now next MCQ is variance of constant is dash dash. Option A is constant, option B is 1, option C is 0, option D is none of these. We know that variance of constant is always 0. Therefore, option C is correct option, that is 0. Now, ninth MCQ is if x is a discrete random variable, then expectation of ax is equal to option A is a square expectation of x, option B is a into expectation of x, option C is expectation of a multiplied by expectation of x, option D is 0. Therefore, correct option is a multiplied by expectation of x, which is theorem of expectation. Now, next MCQ is if expectation of x is equal to 5, then expectation of 2x plus 4 is option A is 5, option B is 14, option C is 4, option D is 10. Now we know that expectation of 2x plus 4 is equal to 2 into expectation of x plus 4. By putting the value of expectation of x, we have the value 14. Therefore, option B is the correct option, that is 14. Thank you all of you.